Shang-a-lang, shong, shang-a-lang, shang, shang-a-lang, shong, shang-a-lang, shang, shang-a-lang, shong, shang-a-lang, shang, twang, 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 twang.
What's up, guys? It's Bo. Welcome back to my channel. Notice anything different? Well, before we get to that, you here, I'm here, we here, so let's vibe. So as y'all know, in the Loc community, a top knot bun is no small accomplishment, and a low tension Loc bun at that. And I have managed to create just that. As I've stated in my previous Loc updates, Loc videos, I try to do low manipulation styling because I have a tender scalp. So like wearing my hair in a bun all day was not something I even considered. This was actually an accident. I had absolutely no intention on creating this hairstyle, but I was kind of just playing in my hair. I was trying to make like a Loc style video, and then it turned into this masterpiece. So if you want to see how I got this low tension cute Loc style, pay attention to the detail. Y'all see the detail? This is a little braid right here, a little braid right here. Stay tuned.
I'm from the south, I'm a southern girl, home of the burning church, don't know much about the world, home of the pocket stones, home of the booty songs, home of the finger wave that lasts all night long, home of the on and on, home of the dominoes, home of the two-piece and the pepper, home of the teeth that's gold, home of the never miss, home of the platinum hits. I'm a southern girl, country fine, everything I eat is fried, got a southern drawl, I'm so country, y'all, but that's way down south, that's way down low. Check the southern fried style and the southern flow. Southern girl, country fine, I like my tofu fried. Got about 100 friends that ain't caught on the trend. Don't know about the internet, don't know about the radio, don't know about the television. All I know is about my flow. My kinfolk send me out to make money for the house. Look up with the boys there. I sure hope the record sell. Southern girl in a rocky world, fly as a bumblebee. Can't nobody fuck with me. I'm a southern girl from way down south. Got a dirty way, 'cause I got a dirty mouth, dirty south. Southern girl,
So I just made it home from a day of shopping, just went to the mall, and I got so many compliments on my loc bun. Like, everyone was telling me, your hair is so cute, your hair is so cute. I even started getting the comments, is all that your real hair? And I was like, why, yes it is. Thank you for asking. And I love my hair regardless of who else likes it, but you know, a compliment here and there, you know, nobody's gonna complain about that. So I'm really as cute as I think I am with this bun. Like, it really worked out really well. My hair is not sore. I mean, a little bit on the edges where I have it braided, but it's not unbearable because I did the braid really loosely. So this is definitely gonna be a new go-to, and I feel like it accentuates my bangs so well. Like, I was feeling myself all day, you guys. You'll be able to see from these dressing room videos that I took. But yes, guys, I'm really loving this loc bun. Follow me on Snapchat if you don't already. It was a great hair day. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it inspired you to try this method of a low tension loc bun, and I hope when you do it, you be feeling yourself as much as I am, because baby. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more loc hair tutorials, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.